Ever dreamt of a cash register that seamlessly connects your online store to your physical store, keeps your inventory magically organized, and lets you see exactly how your business is doing, all from one place? Well, that's not exactly magic, but it comes pretty darn close. It's called Shopify POS, and today we're diving deep to see if it's the potion your business needs. Now, before we unveil the magic tricks, let's rewind a bit. Maybe you're a brick-and-mortar store owner who's finally dipping your toes into the online world. Or perhaps you're an e-commerce guru ready to expand into the exciting realm of physical retail. Either way, you need a point-of-sale POS system that can bridge the gap and make your life easier. That's where Shopify POS swoops in. It's a POS system designed specifically for Shopify users, promising a smooth integration between your online store and your physical storefront. But is it all sunshine and rainbows? Let's dissect the system feature by feature and see if it lives up to the hype. Showtime. Inside the Shopify POS toolbox. Alright, imagine you're a store owner with a brand new Shopify POS system. What kind of goodies can you expect to find in your toolbox? Inventory management. From chaos to calm. First up, the holy grail for any retailer, inventory management. Shopify POS boasts a system that keeps track of your stock across both your physical store and online channels. No more scrambling to update numbers or wondering if you have that last red t-shirt in stock. Add new products, adjust quantities, and even set up automatic purchase orders when stock dips low. It's like having a tiny inventory fairy godmother keeping everything organized. Sales on autopilot. Ring, ring, it's a sale. Making a sale shouldn't feel like brain surgery. Shopify POS prides itself on a user-friendly interface that lets you process transactions like a pro, even if you're a complete POS newbie. Add items with a tap, manage discounts on the fly, and accept all major payment methods with ease. Plus, it integrates seamlessly with Shopify payments, so you can say goodbye to those pesky transaction fees from third-party processors. Hallelujah! Customers. More than just walking wallets. But Shopify POS isn't just about ringing up sales. It also helps you build stronger customer relationships. Store customer information securely, track purchase history, and even offer loyalty programs to keep those repeat buyers coming back for more. Seeing is believing. Data that makes your business sing. Ever feel like you're flying blind when it comes to your business? Shopify POS throws away the blindfold and equips you with powerful reporting tools. See what's selling, what's gathering dust, and track trends to make data-driven decisions. Need to know your peak sales hours? Shopify POS has you covered. Want to compare online sales to in-store sales? Easy peasy. Mobile marvels. Manage on the go. We live in a mobile world, and Shopify POS gets it. The system comes with a handy mobile app that lets you manage your business from anywhere. Check inventory levels, see what's selling, and even process returns, all from the palm of your hand. The not-so-magical side. Unveiling the hiccups. Now, no system is perfect, and Shopify POS is no exception. Some users have complained about limitations in features compared to more high-end POS systems. If you have a complex retail operation with a ton of SKUs, stock-keeping units, or require highly specialized features, Shopify POS might not be the most robust solution. Another point to consider is pricing. While Shopify POS itself starts at a relatively affordable price point, transaction fees and additional app integrations can add up quickly. Demo time. A glimpse into the Shopify POS experience. Insert a short, pre-recorded screencast demo showcasing the key features of Shopify POS. Briefly walk viewers through processing a sale, managing inventory, and accessing reports. The price of magic. Unveiling the cost. As with any good magic show, there's always a price to see the tricks. Here's a quick breakdown of Shopify POS pricing. Shopify Lite, $29 per month, allows you to connect one retail location with transaction fees. Shopify Basic Shopify, $79 per month, includes Shopify Lite features plus additional functionalities with transaction fees. Shopify, $299 per month, includes all features with transaction fees. Is Shopify POS your retail BFF? So, is Shopify POS the answer to all your retail woes? Well, it depends on your specific needs. Here's the good news. Perfect for Shopify users already managing their online store. Ideal for small and medium-sized businesses. Easy to use even for POS novices. However, keep these things in mind. Limited features compared to some competitors for complex retail needs. Transaction fees can add up. Customer support experiences can be inconsistent according to some users. Ultimately, the decision is yours. Shopify POS offers a powerful solution for many businesses, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Do your research, consider your needs, and take advantage of the free trial to see if Shopify POS rings up as a win for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.